I'm Said and welcome back to my channel SideEcho. In today's we'll try to install the Fortnite game in the OnePlus 9R device, and I'll try to show you how much time it actually takes to install in my phone. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because right in my home the internet connection is really high speed, so I'm getting about 90 Mbps of speeds, so sometimes 90 to 100. So let's see friends, as you can see the speed test I'm trying to do. As you can see 90 Mbps. So using this 90 Mbps of speed, how much time it actually takes to download the Fortnite game and install in this phone. So that is what this video is dedicated for completely. And one more thing, the OnePlus 9R will support the 90 FPS Fortnite gameplay as well. I'll try to do the in-depth game review later on, so make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Definitely I'll do that video very soon. Let me try to open the Epic Games right now. So I think it should be here, and it is a Fortnite game. Let me try to click install. So once the Fortnite game has been installed, so we'll get to know the process has been successfully started right now, how much time it actually takes from this moment of completely installing the Fortnite game. So that is what let's see friends, with this kind of speeds, as you can see on the top I'm getting about 11 Mbps of download speeds. Let me quickly give the permission and click install, and the game is installing, and phone has got the UFS 3.1 storage as well, so we should not be that much late in terms of installing the process. So in case if you want to know about the battery draining of the OnePlus 9R, so make sure to check this video friends, which is a epic PUBG battery drain test. So that will give you the clear idea about the battery draining of this OnePlus 9R device. So right now I'm downloading the 8 GB of file, so which is a 8 GB 8.47 GB of file size, as you can see friends, so which is a really huge size. And let's see how much time this 8 GB will take completely to download. So I think around 40 seconds of time I think the download started, so we'll get to know how much time the game needs. And on the top of the notification bar you can see I'm getting about 11 Mbps and 10 Mbps of download speeds. So 90 Mbps which you did see is a browsing speed, so download speed is about right now 10 Mbps I'm trying to get. So right now it's 25% close to, as you can see friends, 25%. so I think within 2-3 minutes, I think maybe in the next 3 minutes the game should be completely downloaded and installed in this phone. So let's see friends whether that's the case or not. And at this point of downloading continuously with the full data, as you can see full speed, we are getting temperatures about 28 degrees right now, 28. So at this point, and let me check the back side, 37 and 38, sorry not 28, 38, as you can see friends. So right now the time is about 3 minutes of time, it's close to 3 minutes, and the full speed is trying to download. So let's see friends how much more time the OnePlus game needs to be installed in this OnePlus 9R device. So exactly around 9 minutes the game got completely installed, and during this time that let's check the temperature. Temperature is about 40 degrees, it increased, as you can see friends, 40 degrees. So right now I did enter my all the details, and right now it's trying to log in this phone in the OnePlus 9R, as you can see friends. So at this point I think the game completely installed, and total time took about for me 10 minutes of time, total time it has taken. So let me try to quickly show you the settings. So what FPS you'll be able to play. 90 FPS, as you can see friends, oh my god, that's a really good thing. So 90 FPS without compromising the quality, so as you can see here, so which is really good thing. So and you can even display the show FPS as well. I'll try to use this kind of settings with the 90 FPS, and I'll try to play the game in this OnePlus 9R, and then I'll try to show you how is the gameplay is going on with this phone if you're trying to use the 90 FPS at this point. So that is what my video will be there. So definitely friends, for the next video which I'll be trying to do on this OnePlus 9R, testing the 90 FPS Fortnite gameplay. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel SideEcho, and thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.